Why does your scanner show the P0452 engine code? What does it mean? P0452 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission Control System Pressure Sensor Low Input. It indicates the sensor is reporting a lower than expected pressure in the fuel tank. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Loose or missing gas cap. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Malfunctioning purge or vent valves. Damaged charcoal canister. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.